and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I am going to show you how to make a play-doh pony and unicorn. Don't these look great? They are so cute and they're super easy. For this you're going to need purple play-doh, white play-doh, dark and light pink play-doh, blue play-doh, yellow play-doh, orange play-doh, a play-doh knife, and pony play-doh molds. Remember, you can use whatever colour you like, as always. To start off, I'm going to take a tiny bit of the blue play-doh and put it in the mould, right where the eye is. Now we're going to take our white pony insert. I'm going to flatten some white play-doh. And I'm going to put it in one side, and then add the insert. Then I'm going to put some more play-doh on the other side and shut the mould. Remove any excess, and what do you know? You've already got the shape of a pony. Cool, huh? And look, it's got super cute blue eyes. Now we're going to add some detail. I'm taking the light yellow play-doh, and I'm going to make the mane. Roll it out long and thin, and then use your play-doh knife to cut some different lengths. Add them to the top of the head, like so. Keep adding until you're happy with how much light yellow play-doh there is there. Like this. Now we're going to repeat this with the light yellow, all the way down the back of the neck. Looking good! To make it look even better, I'm taking the orange play-doh and I'm going to add some shading. See how it adds texture? Just add some really thin squiggles on top of the light yellow play-doh. Don't forget to do the back. Now we're going to take the light yellow play-doh and the orange play-doh. We're going to roll them into long, thin shapes and then twist them onto each other, like this. This is going to be the perfect tail. Now add it to your pony. Cute, huh? Finally, to finish it off, I'm going to add some dots onto the back of my pony using the light yellow play-doh. Now we're going to repeat all of that, but slightly different, to make our unicorn. Let's go! I want my unicorn to have bright blue eyes as well, so I'm adding the blue play-doh. I'm adding a tiny bit of white play-doh to add detail because the main body of my unicorn is going to be pink. Repeat the process that we used before. But this time, make sure there's no play-doh covering the wings. Squeeze it together and pull away any excess. Gosh, it looks cute! And it's got wings this time. Of course, because it's a unicorn. It's magical. Cut away any excess around the feet. Now, just like our pony, we're going to add detail. First, I'm going to take the light yellow play-doh and some white play-doh. I'm going to twist them together just like we did with the tail, but thinner. This is going to be our unicorn's horn. Make sure it's not too long, and then attach it to the top of his head. And then attach it to the top of her head. Use white Play-Doh to add some hooves. We're now going to add hair. I'm using pink. Repeat exactly like you did with your pony. Don't forget to add detail and shading using the dark pink. Looking good! She's so pretty! Now I'm going to make her tail. Light pink and dark pink, with a little bit of detail. And finally, some dots. Nearly done. And there you have it. Don't they look super cute? Absolutely wonderful Play-Doh pony and unicorn. Thanks so much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe or you'll miss some of our awesome videos. See you next time. Bye! Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Today we are going to be making an awesome Play-Doh butterfly. Now this is so easy to do and is great for the little ones as well. All you need for this is a knife, a rolling pin, and all different coloured Play-Dohs. So the first thing to do is to make the middle of the butterfly. This is just a long strip, like so. Now it's time to make the wings. What you want to do is cut out a B shape after you've rolled your Play-Doh flat. Don't forget to make two, one for either side. You can use a pencil if you don't want to use a knife. So now put your wings together and put the body of the butterfly on top. Now it's time to decorate the wings. You can get creative, do any shape you want. I've got 4 big pink spots. And now I'm doing little blue dots on top. What different colours are you going to use? Now it's time to do the butterfly's antenna. And of course, eyes and a smile. And there you have it, a Play-Doh butterfly. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Put any questions in the comment box below and don't forget to put a picture of your butterfly. We'd love to see it. And we will see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.